Thanks for watching my video today. Let's see another Ramanujan infinite sum. Then is sum from unequal to 1 to infinity. 1 upon t square plus 4n square pi square is nothing but 1 upon 2t times 1 upon e to the t minus 1 over t plus 1 over 2. Actually, this is not a new sum again, new infinite series or new infinite sum. Okay, now let our s to be or this sum from unequal to 1 to infinity 1 upon t square plus 4n square pi square. So let's see now using that cot hyperbole of x is then is the partial fraction expansion of cot hyperbole of x is 1 over x plus 2 times sum from unequal to 1 to infinity x upon x square plus pi square n square. N is already here, right? Here pi square is already here, n square is already here, and what do we need is only 4, right? And this x is t, we need t, right? So in this case we can do something here. Now if you put x equal to t upon 2, we have that cot hyperbole of t upon 2 is nothing but 2 over t, right? Plus 2 into this x is nothing but t over 2, sum from unequal to 1 to infinity 1 upon t by 2 whole square plus pi square n square. Now cot hyperbole of t upon 2 is nothing but 2 over t plus these 2 cancel out, okay? So this one 2 square is 4, right? Now if you simplify them, you'll get this 4 will come out here. So 4t sum from unequal to 1 to infinity 1 upon t square plus, now taking but denominator LCM, so that's why you will get 4 here, this 2 square 4 coming here, and upon 4, okay, upon 4 that 4 is coming out here, so you get 4n square pi square. So this is exactly or this one, right? Now therefore cot hyperbole of t upon 2 is nothing but 2 over t plus 4t times this part is nothing but or s, right? S. So now finding out s, so 4ts is nothing but cot hyperbole of t upon 2, this one transfer here, minus 2 over t implies that if you find out s is nothing but 1 upon 4t cot hyperbole of t upon 2 minus t 2 upon 4t, right? This 4t into this t. Now these two can get cancelled out here, right? Now you get s is equal to, if you see these two in the denominator there's 2t common, right? Both sides, so 1 upon 2t. Now if you take out here 1t, 1 upon 2t, then you get 1 upon 2 cot hyperbole of t upon 2 minus, if you take out here 2t, you will get 1 over t, right? Now this is our summation s. Now to get this, we just have to simplify furthermore, okay? Cot hyperbole of x is from the definition cos hyperbole of x upon sin hyperbole of x. So cos hyperbole of x is nothing but 1 upon 2 e to the x plus e to the negative x upon sin hyperbole of nothing but 1 upon 2 e to the x minus e to the negative x. Cancel out, you will get e to the x plus e to the negative x upon e to the x minus e to the negative x. Now cot hyperbole, right? We need t upon 2. If you substitute x equal to t upon 2, okay, x equal to t upon 2, then you will get what? S is nothing but 1 upon 2t times 1 upon 2. This one is nothing but this one, so e to the 2 over t plus e to the negative t over 2 upon e to the t over 2 minus e to the negative t upon 2 minus 1 over t, this one, which is equal to 1 over 2t times 1 into 2 e to the t upon 2 plus e to the negative t upon 2 upon e to the t over 2 minus e to the negative t over 2. Now multiply this both numerator and denominator by e to the t over 2, e to the t over 2 minus 1 over t, this one, okay? Then what do we get? 1 over 2t times 1 upon 2. Now if you multiply this 2, then you'll get e to the t plus multiply this 2, you'll get 1 upon this and this e to the t minus this one is 1 minus 1 over t. You get 1 over 2t some times 1 over 2. Now taking separately these two, 1 over this one, 1 over e to the t minus 1 plus 1 over 2 e to the t upon e to the t minus 1 minus 1 over t. Now in this adding and subtracting 1, okay, then you get 1 over 2t times 1 over 2 into 1 over e to the t minus 1 plus 1 over 2 e to the t minus 1 plus 1 upon e to the t minus 1, right? In this add and subtract 1, okay, here e to the t minus 1 over t. Now separating these two, okay, this part and this part, separating out them, you get s equal to 1 over 2t, 1 over 2 into 1 over e to the t minus 1 plus 1 over 2, this one e to the t minus 1 upon e to the t minus 1 plus 1 over 2 times this part 1 over e to the t minus 1 over t. Okay, now continue in here. So s is equal to 1 over 2t, and this and this are same thing, right? So half into half is just 1, so 1 over e to the t minus 1, so these two can get cancelled out here. You get plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over t. Therefore our summation from unequal to 1 to infinity 1 over t square plus 4n square pi square, which is 1 over 2t 1 over times 1 over e to the t minus 1 over t plus half, then is what we are trying to prove, okay, here. So we get our result, so hence proof.